In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add time and date stamp to a photo on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning. And first off, at a Photos app, we need to open up a photo. As you can see now, there are no any time and date stamp on this photo. However, towards the top of the screen, it shows us the exact time and date when this photo was taken. It is December 15, 2022, 10:28. And we can easily add this time and date stamp manually to a photo. To do that, we need to tap at Edit. Then tap right here to activate markup mode. Then tap at this plus and select Add Text. After that, we can enter date and time manually, 12/15/2022, 10:28. Once it is done, let me hide the keyboard. Why I can't do that? I don't know. Oh, perfect. After that, we can drag it. We can place it anywhere at a photo. And then down below here, you probably don't see on a camera, but right here located color circle, it is black now. However, if we tap on it, we'll be able to select any color from here. We can use different ways to select a color, and once it is done, now as you can see, this color, this time and date stamp is much more visible. However, if you would like to change it, you can easily do so in the same way. And then all you have to do is just tap at Done and then Done again to save the changes. However, if you would like to add time and date stamp at multiple photos at once, or if you would like to get more advanced tool, I recommend you to head over to the App Store and then search for Date Stamper. After that, you can get any app, let's say that one, and it allows you to stamp multiple photos simultaneously. Also, you can customize styles, remove stamp at any time, and a bunch of other options to add time and date stamps to your photos. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, so don't forget to hit the like button.